Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of being broke, tired of watching other people make money online while you sit and do nothing, well, today that changes. Because I'm about to break down exact real ways to make money online in 2025, no scams, no fake get rich in one click, and you don't need a laptop or any investment. Just your phone plus internet plus a little bit of hustle. So sit tight because I'm about to drop straight facts, not fairy tales. Method 1: Getting paid for product reviews. Alright, first method is something people sleep on. Product reviews plus affiliate links. You don't need a channel with a million subs. You don't need to show your face. All you gotta do is talk about products, tech, fitness, beauty, apps, whatever you personally use. How it works. You sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon, Flipkart, Awin, Impact, whatever works in your country. You make short videos talking about the product. Like top 3 budget headphones, best smartwatch under $50, or top earning apps review. You drop your affiliate link in the description. Someone buys through it equals you get paid. Bro, you could literally make money while you're asleep. That's passive income. Method 2: Selling skills you already have. Second real way: sell skills you already have. People think they need to be experts, nah fam. Listen. If you know how to edit videos even a little, build thumbnails, write descriptions, fix audio, do subtitles, there are thousands of creators and businesses who will pay you. Platforms: Fiverr, Upwork, LinkedIn, Facebook groups, even local businesses. And if you're thinking, bro, I don't have any skills, then YouTube is literally free school. Learn editing or Canva for 7 days and boom, you're job ready. Real talk, skills pay more than degrees now. Method 3: Faceless content for cash. Third one is wild: make faceless videos and get paid. You don't need your voice, your face, your personality, nothing. Just clips plus text plus music. Niches that pay crazy. Motivation. Tech facts. Fitness transformations. Celebrity facts. Money/business educational shorts. You upload on YouTube plus Facebook Reels plus TikTok plus Instagram Reels and boom, when one video blows up, you start making money from ad revenue, sponsorships, affiliate links, digital product selling in future. Bro, this is the easiest start if you're shy or don't wanna talk. Method 4: Apps that actually pay. Let's be real, most earning apps online are BS. But a few do pay legit. Examples of real earning apps: General, Survey plus Microtask apps, Crypto earn apps, Get paid for watching ads apps, Get paid for AI task apps, Cash reward/cashback apps. Don't expect $500 a day from apps. But $10.40 per day consistently is realistic if you grind. Use that small money to start something big: content, editing, freelancing, drop servicing, whatever. Method 5: Drop servicing. Okay, now the smartest hustle most people don't know. Drop servicing. You take orders for services that you don't do yourself, and you outsource the work to someone cheaper. Example: some client pays you $100 for a YouTube intro animation. You hire a pro from Fiverr for $35. You deliver the project to the client. You keep $65 profit without doing anything. This is business, not a job. Look man, money isn't magic. Nobody's gonna hand it to you. But right now is the best time in history to make money online, even with a phone. There are 2 types of people. The ones who watch others make money. The ones who take action and make money. Which one are you gonna be? If you're ready to step up, hit subscribe, because on this channel we talk real earning, real tech, and real digital growth, not BS fairy tales. See you in the next video.